Dash cams are an essential bit of gear to protect you and your vehicle if you're unlucky enough to be involved in an incident. And the Adventure King's Full HD 1080p dash cam is a great value and high quality choice. Inside the box you'll find the camera, the suction cup to attach it to your windscreen, a charging cable with a SIG plug socket and a USB cable for transferring footage to your computer. The Adventure King's dash cam works with a micro SD card. After you've inserted one into the slot, plug it in and you're ready to go. It'll automatically turn on with your vehicle and start recording. You can change the settings through the menu to utilize features such as the motion detector, the parking monitor that automatically records if the camera senses a jolt when parked, and the G-force sensor to automatically record after an impact. The Adventure King's Full HD 1080p dash cam offers very high quality recording and a long list of super handy features, all for a great value price.